Hi, my name is Ashley.
Hi, I'm Allie.
I'm Chris.
And we're all JMU Dietetics majors. Today we are going to be making cinnamon apple smoothies. We're going to be talking about the benefits of dairy on your body. So first we're going to start with some Greek yogurt. It is a very good source of calcium and it is good on the dairy part of the My Plate. And then we also have some milk that also is really good for dairy and calcium, and also both include a lot of protein that is good for your brain health and your muscle and bones.
So next I'm gonna add 1 peeled and chopped apple, and apples are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Next I'm gonna add 1 banana, which is rich in many vitamins and potassium. And then we've got some maple syrup, and then some cinnamon. And then next we're going to blend this up.
So with people with dairy intolerances or allergies, you can get calcium from other things like spinach, beans, any legumes, nuts and seeds as well, or just any leafy grains. So I hope you guys learned something about dairy and calcium in your diet.